Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Agne Brunette. Welcome and Happy New Year, guys. This is my first video of the year. Sounds crazy, time is flying, but I'm so looking forward for 2020. It's gonna be an amazing year. And for today's look, I decided to do this like a very fresh makeup look with like shimmer on the eyes, a glossy lip. It's something different than I normally do, and I hope you will guys enjoy watching this tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching. So to start off, I'm gonna be using this Kiehl's CC Serum in shade number 2. I recently got this in my PR package and I've been using it every single day. I wear it on its own or I wear it underneath my makeup. It's just a really great SPF. It has SPF 50, which is so amazing for me, especially because I live in Dubai and obviously you want to protect your skin. So as you can see, it gives like a beautiful tint of color. I don't know, like instantly I look fresh and I look awake. Also, it does give a beautiful glow. So yeah, if you are looking for a good SPF, give it a try. So for my primer, I'm gonna be using Hangover from Too Faced. For today's base, we're gonna be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Longwear Hydrating Foundation, and for that I will use Chealsea Boutique Beauty Blender to apply this all over my face. My concealer, I'm gonna be using Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in Medium Honey. This is my shade and I will apply this underneath my eyes. It is a very full coverage, so you need literally the smallest amount. Now to set my face, I'm gonna be using Khouzami Instant Blur Compact Powder in shade 150. I don't know if you guys remember, but before I used to use MAC Cosmetics, the mineralized powder, and that was like my go-to powder. But since I discovered this Khouzami powder, it's like my go-to. It's just so beautiful. As you can see, it does give a really nice blurry effect to your skin, and it just like blurs out all the imperfections. Now for my bronzer, I will be using Bobbi Brown, and this is in shade Medium 2. I always have to bronze up my forehead because I do have a very high forehead, and you know, when you use bronzer, it just kind of helps to minimize. I just ran out of the battery, so I had to go and change it. But yeah, I'm back. I'm still bronzing my face. And now with a smaller brush, I'm just gonna slightly contour my nose. For my blush, I decided to use Clarins in shade Cheeky Coral. And of course, for my highlighter, I will be using Becca Cosmetics C-Pop Highlighter. This is like my go-to highlighter. I love it. It's so pigmented. You only need the smallest amount and boom. Look at that. This is so stunning. So pretty much this is it with my face. What I love doing also is I always go back with my beauty blender and I just blend everything together. And now it's time for the brow. For that, I will use precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. I'm just gonna comb my brow to make sure they are in place, and then we will start to fill it in. But normally I don't use the pencil. I only use it in the front, and for the rest of the brow I use powder, and you guys know Chealsea Boutique, it's my go-to in shade Cappucino. For that, I will take an angle brush and I will just start like shaping my brows. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit so you will have an idea on what I'm doing. All I do basically, I just draw the line underneath and then I start to fill it in. Brow, no brow. Brow, no brow. I know for some of you maybe it's too much, but this is the way I like to do my brow, and I like them to look thick. Plus I will be cleaning around and I will be using the brow gel, so you're gonna see the final effect. But to be honest, I get a lot of compliments on my brows, so if you guys want me to film a video more detailed to show you step by step how I do my brow, comment below and let me know. I would be more than happy to film that for you guys. To clean my brow, and I will be using the same concealer, Shape Tape. I did put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm using Becca Cosmetics concealer brush. I don't know which number it is, but it looks like this. And I'm just gonna clean underneath my brow first. And then I'll do above the same. Just like that. And to fix the brow, we will use Brow Tattoo from Maybelline. And we have the brow. So the brow is done, and let's move on to the eyes. So I already have a little bit of concealer on my eyes, but now I want to apply eyeshadow primer. This is from Urban Decay. It's the eyeshadow primer potion, the original one. I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend everything. You guys know how much I love this Too Faced Natural Lust eyeshadow palette. It has every single color you need. It's so practical, it's so nice, especially if you are a makeup artist and if you want like a good eyeshadow palette. There you go, this one. Or maybe you just love doing makeup, because you know it does have like a very natural light shade, but it does have a little bit of color. So it has black also, which is so important. It has like matte ones, the beige ones, the shimmery ones, the berry ones. I don't know, I just really love this palette, and I basically use this every single day. This shade right here is gonna be my base color, and it's called Buff It Out. I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid to set the primer. For my crease, I'm gonna be mixing these two shades together. It's called Take the Bake and Afternoon Delight. Next shade is gonna be Such a Tease, and this shade is gonna go on my eyelid. So I think I'm done with the eyeshadow. Now I want to use this Clarins Krylon Kohl Intense Brow Pencil. So it's a pencil together with the brush. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply this very, very close to my lash line. And with the brush side, I'm gonna smudge everything. For my waterline, we will use Sephora Waterproof Eye Pencil in shade Coconut. It's a really nice beige color, so this will open up my eyes and it will give like a fresh eye look. I also decided for today's look to use false lashes, and these are my go-to. It's from Chealsea Boutique, Mink lashes in number 10. So I'm just gonna quickly apply them and I will be back. Damn girl, mascara. This is a really good mascara, by the way. For my lips, I'm gonna be using Bobbi Bear lip liner from Becca Cosmetics. For today's look, I'm not gonna be using lipstick, but I will be using the lip glaze. This is from Nude Sticks and it's in shade number 6. Now to set my makeup, we will be using Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Peach Extract Setting Spray. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.